Okay, so line L is perpendicular to this line. So I don't know why I just covered this up, but it's perpendicular to this line. And the thing I want to draw our attention to is what's the slope of this line. This line has a slope of -3/5. If line L is perpendicular to this line, that means that the slope for line L would have to be a +5/3. So up 5 over 3. So again, what does the slope mean? That number is my change in y divided by the change in x. And we're given here that this is a 5 over 3. Well, it says if you draw a slope triangle on line L with a change in y of 15 units. So we're saying, hey, if I've got a change in y that's 15 units, the question is, what's the corresponding change in x? So remember, the slope on line L is the same always. It's always 5/3. So it doesn't matter, if I've got a change in 5 for y, or a change in 10, or a change in 15, or any change in y, the ratio of change in y over change in x has to stay 5/3. So these two have to be equal to each other. So the change in x has to be whatever value makes this proportion true. And the cross products in this case are indeed equal. So if you wanted to, you could go ahead and solve this equation, 5x equals 45, or you could just observe. I'm multiplying 5 times 3 to get 15. So if I multiply this 3 times a 3, that would give me my change in x. And the change in x in this case is the number 9. So over here, I'll go ahead and say delta x is the number 9, because 15 over 9 is equal to 5/3.